Okay, ma'am.
Seventh semester BSEL 100 Years of Solitude. Gabriel Garcia Marquez lecture novel.
Assalamualaikum, ma'am.
वालेकुम सलाम, क्या हाल है बेटा? First generation Josh Arcadio Buenda. Josh Arcadio Buenda is the patriarch of the Buenda family and the founder of Mekando. We have discussed it. Who constantly bleeds from his wounds and tries to wash it. इसके बारे में discussion हो रही है. Buenda lives Rio Hacha, Colombia, along with his wife Ursula, after being hunted by the corpse of Prudencio Aguilera, a man Buendia killed in a duel. ये इसी के बारे में डिस्कशन थी. One night while camping at the site while camping at the side of a river, during camping, Buenda dream of a city mirrors named Mekando and decides to establish the town in the location. This is the map and this is magic realism picture. Josh Arcadio Bianda is an introspective and inquisitive man of massive strength and energy who spends more time on his scientific pursuits than with his family. He flirts with alchemy and astronomy and becomes increasingly withdrawn from his family and community. This is the picture. Utopian Island. Ursula is one of the two matriarchs of the Buenda family and is wife to Josh Arcadio Buenda. She lives to be well over 100 years old. And this is a picture of the beautiful utopian world. And she oversees the Buenda house. She exhibits a very strong character and often succeeds where the men of her family fail, more strong than men. For example, finding a route to the outside world from Mikando. This is the way out. You can see it. The way, the river, crystal mirror shine water, the vegetation, the happy life, the natural scenery beauty is Josh Arcadio Buenda's firstborn son, Josh Arcadio, seems to have inherited his father's headstrong, impulsive mannerisms. He eventually leaves the family to chase a gypsy girl and unexpectedly returns many years later as an enormous man covered in tattoos. Claiming that he is sailed to seas of the world, he marries his adopted sister Rebecca, causing his banishment from the mansion, and he dies from the mysterious gunshot wound. Mansion building, great building, days after saving his brother from execution. Colonel Aureliano Buenda, Josh Fizra Mary Aksa. He was taught to have permissions because everything he said came true. He represents not only a warrior figure but also an artist due to his ability to write poetry and create finely crafted golden fish. This is Colonel Aurelianus Crafts. During the wars, he fathered 17 sons by unknown women. ये इसके character traits हैं. All named Aureliano. Are named Aureliano. 17 people have the name with Aureliano. 4 of them later began to live in Mekando, and in the span of several weeks, all of them but one, including those who shoot down, choose to not to remain in Mekando, are murdered by unknown assassins before any of. This is about the second generation. As we are going to have it revision in mind about the second generation. Tayyaba, welcome. This is the picture of the town. Merry-go-rounds are there, of the trees of the natural beauty. Crystal clear water is here. Beauty of the land is prominent. Utopian world, idealistic land without worries, without cares. It means that the world is discovered only to have love here. There is no hate, there is no weight, there is no sad impact, there is no sadness. Now, this is the sad characteristics of Remedios Moscow was the youngest daughter of the town's conservative administrator Don Apollinaire Moscow. Her most striking physical features are her beautiful skin and her emerald green eyes. The future of Colonel Aureliano falls in love with her. Despite her extreme youth, ये sad aspect है इसमें, she dies shortly after the marriage from a blood poisoning illness during her pregnancy. Until soon, अब उसके bedroom में उसकी dolls, उसका सारा कुछ बिखरा पड़ा और very sad impact देता है. Her dolls are displayed in his bedroom. Amarantha, the third child of Josh Arcadio